Call it a peek, perhaps, into the future. Hyundai-owned Boston Dynamics publicly demonstrated its humanoid robot named Atlas for the first time yesterday at the Consumer Electronics Show. There's Atlas.
At CES 2026, a seismic shift in robotics unfolded, one that could have profound implications for industries, labor, and society as a whole. Hyundai Motor Group, known for its innovation in automotive technology, took the stage to unveil a breakthrough partnership with Google AI. This collaboration promises to integrate Google's advanced AI capabilities into Atlas, the humanoid robot developed by Boston Dynamics, a company Hyundai controls. The announcement marks a defining moment in the evolution of humanoid robotics and the transformation it may bring to industries ranging from manufacturing to logistics and beyond.
So for the first time ever in public, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Atlas to the stage.
For the first time, robots powered by deep learning and perception-based AI might not just perform pre-programmed tasks, but actively think, adapt, and learn from their environment, opening the door to unprecedented levels of efficiency, flexibility, and safety. The Atlas robot, created by Boston Dynamics, has long captured attention for its impressive range of movements and agility. Capable of running, jumping, and even backflipping, Atlas has showcased the potential of humanoid robots in ways that few other machines could. Initially developed for research and development purposes, Atlas was intended as a platform for testing and refining the mechanics of bipedal movement and robotic behavior. Its design focuses on achieving a high degree of versatility, enabling it to perform actions like lifting heavy objects, navigating through complex terrain, and maintaining balance even in unstable conditions. These capabilities have made it an ideal candidate for industrial applications, where human workers often face hazardous environments and physically demanding tasks. However, despite these remarkable feats, Atlas remained confined to research labs, with its real-world applications limited by the complexity of its operations and the need for human programming and oversight. Hyundai's acquisition of a controlling stake in Boston Dynamics in 2021 positioned the company to reimagine the future of robotics. This move extended Hyundai's interest in integrating cutting-edge robotics into real-world applications, particularly within their manufacturing and logistics operations. What Hyundai saw in Atlas was not just a robot capable of performing predetermined tasks, but a powerful tool for rethinking human-robot interaction. The vision Hyundai now has for Atlas is for it to move beyond the laboratory and into actual factory floors, construction sites, and even public spaces. By leveraging Google AI, Hyundai aims to breathe new life into Atlas, transforming it from a highly sophisticated yet limited machine into an autonomous, adaptable workforce member. The partnership with Google DeepMind and Google AI offers a radical leap forward. Google's AI technologies, including its machine learning models and neural networks, are designed to enable robots like Atlas to process data, recognize patterns, and make real-time decisions. Unlike traditional robots, which follow pre-programmed instructions, an AI-powered Atlas will be able to interpret its surroundings, anticipate changes, and learn from new experiences. The result is a robot capable of performing tasks in ways that more closely resemble human behavior. Imagine a factory floor where Atlas can autonomously adjust to changing production needs, identify and respond to obstacles in real time, or even optimize workflows without requiring constant input from human operators. This shift from rigid, predefined programming to dynamic learning and decision-making represents a monumental step forward in the evolution of industrial robotics. In the coming years, Hyundai plans to deploy Atlas in real-world industrial settings, with the first major test slated for their Meta plant in Georgia, set to open in 2028. This facility, designed to showcase the latest advancements in smart manufacturing, will integrate Atlas robots into tasks like parts sequencing, a labor-intensive but essential part of the production process. The role of Atlas will be to autonomously sort and organize components based on real-time data inputs, streamlining operations and improving efficiency. Over time, Hyundai's ambition is for Atlas to take on more complex roles, such as performing assembly operations and even assisting in the installation of parts, tasks that require a high degree of dexterity and precision. The true promise of this partnership is not just in Atlas's ability to perform mechanical tasks, but in its potential to transform the very nature of work. For decades, automation has been viewed as a tool for replacing humans in the most menial, repetitive tasks. However, the integration of AI into Atlas flips this narrative on its head. Instead of simply replacing humans, these robots will serve as intelligent partners, capable of alleviating workers from the physical strain of repetitive and hazardous work. With the ability to learn and adapt to a variety of situations, Atlas will become a more efficient collaborator, one that can work alongside humans, assisting them in ways that increase productivity while reducing workplace injuries. This shift could represent a future where robots are not seen as the enemy of labor, but as its partners, a shift toward a more balanced relationship between human workers and machines. The Atlas humanoid robot is designed to perform in dynamic, unpredictable environments. Its advanced AI-powered decision-making capabilities enable it to respond to environmental changes and obstacles in real time. For instance, if a piece of machinery malfunctions or a worker inadvertently steps into the robot's path, Atlas will be able to recognize the problem, analyze the situation, and make the necessary adjustments to avoid accidents. In addition to its enhanced AI, Atlas is built with a highly adaptable physical design featuring tactile hands capable of gripping and manipulating objects of varying sizes and weights. This gives the robot the dexterity needed to perform tasks ranging from handling delicate components to lifting heavy materials, making it ideally suited for industries that require precision and strength. The integration of AI will also allow Atlas to learn and improve its performance over time. Rather than being limited to a set of pre-programmed responses, the robot will be able to evolve its strategies based on its experiences in the field. For example, if Atlas encounters a new type of task or obstacle, it can draw on its previous learning to adapt its behavior and optimize its response. This learning process will not be restricted to one robot, but can be shared across multiple Atlas units, creating a network of highly intelligent robots that can collaborate and refine their performance collectively. As these robots continue to learn, they will become more capable, efficient, and reliable, reducing the need for human intervention and allowing them to take on increasingly complex tasks. The broader implications of this technology are immense. Hyundai's ambitious plans extend far beyond the factory floor. As Atlas continues to evolve, Hyundai envisions its robots playing a role in sectors like logistics, construction, and even energy management. In logistics, Atlas could be deployed in warehouses, helping to organize and move packages, optimize storage systems, and perform inventory checks autonomously. In construction, these robots could assist with tasks like lifting heavy beams, welding, or installing equipment, all while learning from their environment to improve efficiency and safety. In the energy sector, Atlas could be used to maintain power plants, inspect turbines, or handle hazardous materials, further demonstrating its versatility across industries. The integration of Google AI into Hyundai's Atlas humanoid robot marks a turning point in the evolution of robotics, raising both excitement and concern about the future of work. As Atlas becomes more advanced, capable of learning and adapting to its environment, it poses a significant challenge to industries reliant on manual labor. Hyundai envisions a future where robots like Atlas work alongside humans, performing tasks that are physically demanding, repetitive, and potentially hazardous. However, the growing capabilities of such AI-driven robots also raise the question of whether human labor will be displaced in sectors like manufacturing, logistics, and construction. As robots handle more tasks that were once the domain of people, we must consider the long-term implications for workers whose jobs may become obsolete. This transformation of the workforce necessitates a reevaluation of how society structures labor, education, and income distribution. While Hyundai's vision is to integrate robots like Atlas in ways that assist humans, the reality of widespread automation could lead to significant job displacement. As robots replace manual labor, the demand for new skills will rise, creating opportunities in fields such as AI programming, data analysis, and robot maintenance. However, these new roles will require specialized training and many workers may struggle to adapt. In response, society will need to rethink education systems, focusing on STEM fields while fostering skills in creativity and problem-solving, attributes that robots are far less likely to master. Furthermore, economic disparities could widen, as those in technology and automation sectors may see higher wages, while those in manual labor positions face job insecurity. The increasing presence of AI-powered robots also demands a deep ethical reflection on the future of human labor. Atlas and other advanced robots could bring about significant benefits, such as enhanced productivity, safety, and efficiency, but they also challenge the fundamental value placed on human work. As robots take on tasks once performed by people, society must confront the question of what it means to be valuable in a world where machines can perform with greater precision and efficiency. Will this transformation lead to a world where humans are no longer defined by their ability to work in traditional roles, or will we find new ways to redefine human worth? These changes also introduce the risk of social and economic disruption. If automation leads to widespread unemployment without the creation of new roles, the resulting inequality could destabilize societies and economies. As Hyundai's Atlas robot continues to advance, it will undoubtedly push the boundaries of what is possible in robotics and AI. However, its development is not without challenges and profound societal implications. The future of work will be shaped by how humans and machines coexist in an increasingly automated world. Atlas represents both a technological breakthrough and a potential turning point in the relationship between robots and humans. Whether this transformation results in a utopian society where robots enhance human potential and creativity, or a dystopian reality where machines replace human workers, will depend on how we navigate the complex ethical, economic, and social issues that arise. What is clear, though, is that Atlas, powered by Google AI, is leading the charge into this new robotic age, forcing us to rethink the very fabric of labor, industry, and human value.